Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Devashish and you are watching Worldwide Programmer. Before starting this tutorial, do subscribe channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's start the tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about e-wallet or electronic purse. So what is e-wallet? Cash has been around for many thousands of years and has worked reasonably well. However, with the growth on the internet of e-business and e-commerce, where there is a genuine need for secure transactions, together with a push from the financial service sector to enhance the service offered to users, there is now competition between a number of smart card based electronic purse or electronic wallet vendors to get their standard accepted as the standard open, which all transactions will best. So the e-wallet definition is exactly what it sounds like, an electronic wallet. This digital payment system keeps track of the buyer's payment information. As one of the world's largest digital wallet providers, customers pay quickly with just an email address and password. Electronic purse is a term applied to a member of format, each with different applications. At the moment, smart card based system tend to be a direct replacement for money that the user would have in his pocket, and a software based system tend to be used for online purchases. There are already some systems on the market that make use of a smart card based electronic purse and combine it with a reader to enable the user access to internet based commerce via their PCs. Users of this system have the advantage of being able to use the smart card on shops as well. One of the biggest advantages to the banks of transferring transactions to an electronic based medium is that doing so will reduce yet further the requirement to transport large quantities of metal and paper around the country and reduce number of staff required to interact with customers as a result. In addition, replacing checks with their unacceptable delays with electronic money will speed up processing of accounts, giving users access to their own funds. If we talk about types of digital wallets, there are three types of digital wallets. First one is a closed wallet, a semi-closed wallet, and the last one is open wallet. So what is a closed wallet? A company selling products or services can develop a closed wallet for customers. An entity can issue a closed e-wallet to its customers to facilitate purchase of goods and services from itself. Next one is the semi-closed wallet. A semi-closed wallet is a wallet used for purchasing goods and services. A semi-closed wallet is a prepaid instrument that can hold money, be able to transfer or receive money to other wallets and bank account. Next one is open wallet. Open e-wallet are issued banks only and can be used for purchase of goods and services, just like a credit card, up to the pre-funded amount. Open wallets are the ones that allow you to buy goods and services, withdraw cash at ATMs or banks, and transfer funds. So I hope this tutorial is very useful for you all. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.